This is how you're going to remove background in CapCut. Just export the video in the timeline. This video that I have is 5 minutes long, so it's going to take time to remove the background and process. First, let's make this video shorter. Remember, if you have the long video, then the process will be the same, but it's going to take more time than it should. Now that's perfect to process the video and everything. Now just go to the right side where you see remove and click on remove. Now click on auto cutout and CapCut will going to process your video and start removing the background, as you can see up here. So finally process is done. Let's see the result and let's play the video.
I can literally walk in any room in America right now and gain the respect of half the people in there just because of my physique.
Also, you can add these effects right here. You can play with this, make as you want, and this is how you remove background in CapCut. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because in the next video I am going to show you how to add a new background after removing the previous background. Thank you so much for watching the video and sorry for uploading the video after 1 year.